Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make receipt vouchers in Tally ERP 9. We'll start by understanding their purpose and then navigate to the voucher entry screen. You'll learn to identify the key fields for accurate data entry, ensuring your financial records are precise from the start. This guide will help you master the process efficiently. To begin, open Tally ERP 9 and select the Accounting Vouchers option. Press F6 to choose the receipt voucher type. Next, accurately enter the transaction date and a unique reference number. Then, select the correct ledger accounts involved, such as the cash or bank account and the party from whom money is received. Now, input the exact amount of money received into the designated field. It's crucial to add a clear and concise narration that describes the transaction's purpose. This helps with future auditing and understanding. Once all details are entered, simply accept and save the voucher to permanently record this financial transaction in your books. After saving, it's good practice to review the entered receipt voucher to ensure all details are accurate. You can then access various reports, like the daybook or ledger vouchers, to see the immediate effect of your transaction. This verification step ensures your financial statements are correct and compliant with accounting standards.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.